Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here all we have to do to start everything, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. So let's tap. Then let's tap on More Status and scroll down, all the way down actually, to find build number. All you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and if you want to learn more about it, simply check our tutorial about the developer options. So now we can go back to the previous, to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. So simply turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so remember about that. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.